Namaste, welcome back to my channel Nruthyamrutha. I'm Amrutha Sankar. If you're new to my channel, please check out the description box below to find the previous videos links as well as the social media links. So today we are going to do another tutorial session. If you're new and want to learn dance through online videos or online classes, you can just check the description box below for the links as well as the online class contact number, or you can text me on Facebook as well as on Instagram. So without further ado, let's get into today's video, and which is the 32nd step. Okay, for the legs of this step, we go into bending position, putting our legs in V shape. Now we put our right leg back on the toes and tap it back to the position, and we do the same with the left leg as well. That is 3 and 4. If you remember, this is also a step we have learned before. I'll link that in the description box below. But here, there is a little bit change in the hands. But before that, just to make it clear for the newbies, now I'm doing the legs. So it goes as 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Stretch to the maximum you can and position with the full energy and stretch back to position. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's see the hand. So for the hands of this step, which makes us different from the previous step we have learned, is we stretch our hand when the leg goes back. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Again we do the same when we get back to 1. It's 1, 2, 3. We start from Padma Kosha Hasta and we go back to Katakamukha Hasta. As 1, we slightly bend or twist our body. 1, 2, 3, 4. Always look at your hands when you are doing, but here when you are doing, look on both the sides because we use both the legs. It's as 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hope you guys understood. Now let's see the whole step. So for the whole step, we go into bending position and we start as 1, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So hope you guys understood today's video as well as this step. If you have any doubts, please do comment in the comment section so that I know where it isn't clear, and will try to shoot another video if you are not understanding. It need not to be the same video, it can be previous videos of anything for which you want a more clearer version. I'm making it possible. I'm trying my level best to make it very much clear. Hope you guys understand that. If it isn't clear, please be free and comment in the comment section so that I'll know where I have to correct myself and make it more clear for you guys to understand better. So see you again in the next tutorial video. Till then, bye bye.